Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy XCover 5, and today I will show you how you can get iPhone keyboard on this device. So at the first we are going to download external application from Google Play Store. Tap on the search pool and type green Apple keyboard. We have to get this application. Let's install. Right now click open. Click to enable in the settings. Find this option and click on the switcher. Click OK 2 times. Next we have to go back, click to switch input methods and switch from Samsung keyboard to English green Apple keyboard. Click finish, and right now let's take a look. That's how our theme looks right now, and it looks almost identical like on the iOS, and here we got also emojis. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.